Hello students, subscribers, viewers, and future engineers. Here is another video in calculus, particularly on finding equations of tangents relevant in sketching graphs and in the analysis of finding the critical points in optimization problems. These problems are taken from the book by Love and Redfield on page 59. And the numberings are the same, 28 and 29. So find tangents as directed to the curve y equals x to the fourth minus 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4x plus 15 perpendicular to the line x plus 8y equals 7. And in problem 29, to the curve y equals x to the fourth minus 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 16x minus 10 parallel to the line y equals 4x minus 1. So for problem 28, y equals x to the fourth minus 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4x plus 15. So the derivative y prime is 4x cubed minus 12x squared plus 4x minus 4. Since this is the expression for the slope of the tangent to this quartic here, then it is perpendicular to this line. The slope of the line by differentiation is 1 plus 8 times slope of line equals 0. So slope of line is negative 1/8. Since the line or the tangent lines are perpendicular to this line here, the slope of the tangent line should be the negative reciprocal of the slope of this line. So the negative reciprocal of negative 1/8 is positive 8. Y prime is 8. So we substitute y prime is 8 into this equation. 8 equals 4x cubed minus 12x squared plus 4x minus 4. So 4x cubed minus 12x squared plus 4x minus 12 equals 0. Dividing everything by 4, x cubed minus 3x squared plus x minus 3 equals 0. So using your calculator that can find roots of cubic functions, your calculator is capable of that. In fact, it's also capable of finding roots of a quartic equation. So there's only one real root, and that is 3. The other roots are imaginary roots, plus minus I think. So when the real root xt1 is 3, substitute here yt1 using your calculator. 3 to the fourth minus 4 times 3 cubed plus 2 times 3 squared minus 4 times 3 plus 15 is negative 6. The expected equation of the tangent, if the slope is 8, would be in the form 8x minus y equals 8xt minus y sub t. And there's only one point of tangency, 3 comma negative 6. Substitute into this equation. 8x minus y equals 8 times 3 minus negative 6. Simplifying the equation of the tangent, the only equation of the tangent is 8x minus y equals 30. So that's it for this problem 28. For problem 29, y equals x to the fourth minus 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus 16 x minus 10 parallel to the line y equals 4x minus 1. So differentiating this, y prime equals 4. The slope of the tangent is 4 because the tangent lines are parallel to this line here where the slope is 4. So y prime is 4x cubed minus 12x squared minus 4x plus 16 we substitute y prime equals 4. So 4 equals 4x cubed minus 12x squared minus 4x plus 16, combining 4x cubed minus 12x squared minus 4x plus 12 equals 0. Dividing everything by 4, 4 is common to all these terms. X cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 3 equals 0. Using your calculator, high-tech calculator capable of evaluating or finding roots of a cubic function. In fact, you can also find the roots of a quartic equation. So the roots are xt1 negative 1, xt2 positive 3, and xt3 1. In any order, of course. So when the root x coordinate of the root is negative 1, substitute into this equation, then y t1 is negative 23. When the root is 3 into this equation, y t2 is negative 7. And when the root is 1, y t3 is equal to 1 also. 1 minus 4, so negative 3, minus 2, negative 5, plus 16, 11, minus 10, 1. So it's correct. So the form of equation of the tangents would be, if the slope is 4, 4x minus y equals 4xt minus yt. So substitute the first point of tangency, negative 1 comma negative 23. So 4x minus y equals 4 times negative 1 minus negative 23. Simplifying, 4x minus y equals 19. So that's the first tangent. Substitute the second point of tangency, 3 comma negative 7, 4x minus y equals 4 times 3 minus negative 7. This simplifies to 4x minus y equals 12 plus 7, so it's also 19. It has the same form as that of the first tangent, so this is the second tangent. 4x minus y equals 19 occurs twice as tangent to this curve. And although we have different points of tangency, but these lines are coincidental. So 4x minus y equals 19 is a tangent that occurs twice. So that's why tangent 2 equals tangent 1. And finally, 1 comma 1, 4x minus y equals 4 times 1 minus 1. So the third tangent is 4x minus y equals 3. So that's it for this video.